Welcome everyone to Sabre Virtual Demo. Our brief videos explain different features of Business Central and related products. And in this video, we're going to look at the Buy to Job functionality as a part of Sabre ETO. So within Business Central, I navigated to my Jobs section and I've just selected this job here. So what I want to do is I want to select a job task line that has the BOM task enabled, and that's what sort of turns on all the enhanced job functionality as part of ETO. So I'm going to go into the planning lines, and you'll notice here that there's lots of extra fields that we can leverage. So when you're a buyer or a planner and we want to then take lines that have been handed off to us from the design team, we're going to be looking at any of the planning lines where we see that the plan is ready. So this is our designer's way of being able to hand off these lines to the planning team and saying, these are ones that we've reviewed, they're good to go, now go ahead and do a purchase quote, do a purchase order, relieve from inventory. You're just basically going to decide how we want to disposition to satisfy that demand. So I could add my filters if I'd like. So maybe I want to add a filter. I want to see everything where it's plan ready. And maybe what I want to do is I want to look at my plan ready lines. So I've got a few lines here where they want me to go and purchase from graphic design, from Fabricam, First Up Consultants. So what I can do then is maybe I say, okay, I'm going to create my purchase orders for Fabricam first. So let me go ahead and I'm going to focus just on my Fabricam lines. Okay, so then what I'm able to do is I'm going to highlight those three lines, and under process, I'm going to select to buy to job. So it's asking me here, do I want to create a new purchase order or do I want to append to an existing purchase order? So if I already had, say for example, a purchase order started for Fabricam, but I hadn't sent it off yet, I could choose to just add those to the purchase order that I had created maybe earlier today or previously. So now all three of those lines, if I scroll over, you can see under the disposition status are set to purchase, which means that there is a purchase order that's been created. And if I scroll over here to the right, I can see the purchase order number that they're on. I can see the line number. I can see the status. I can see the purchase order date. I can see the expected receipt date that I've indicated. I can see the quantity. I can open up the purchase order directly from the job. So just by clicking on the hyperlink there, it opened up the purchase order that was created for Fabricam. I can see the three lines, and if I scroll over, I can see it's selected the proper location, the proper quantity. And if I keep scrolling over, I can see there's a reference to the job number and the job task. So when I do my receiving and when I do my purchase invoice posting, the cost of this purchase order will automatically update the cost on the job task line as well. Thank you for watching our videos. Please follow our channel by clicking here or click here for more great videos. We look forward to seeing you next time.